Hello again, my beautiful people. I hope you're all having a good day wherever you are. You know, I was on the road and I saw guava. So guess what? I had to buy them because, back in the islands in the summertime, this was a really good drink. I haven't had it for a long time. So I saw guava and I said, let me buy some guava and make some juice with my friends. So to the guava, we're gonna add ginger and limes and something to sweeten. Back in the day, we used sugar. If you want to use honey, agave, whatever you have, you can use that. But today, I'm gonna use a little bit of sugar to sweeten mine. So I know it's gonna be so refreshing because it's boiling outside. Trust me, I'm sweating right now as I'm talking to you because I just rushed in from outside. But anyways, let's make some juice. Enough talking. So now I'm gonna wash these and get them ready for the blender. My people, I'm so excited. I'm at 378 subscribers. I'm working so hard to get to 1,000. I'm counting on you. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. Thank you. So I'm gonna be using like 2 limes. So I'm removing the skin from one. As the skin can make it too bitter. So I've removed the skin from that one. And then I'm gonna use the juice from this one. Yeah, I even see Chef Ricardo making guava juice. Last week I was watching Chef Ricardo was making guava juice. And so many other people making guava juice in this summertime. There was this Trinidadian guy who was making also, but he used vanilla in his. Well, I've never tried it that way. Maybe another time, but I only found this pack today. I could only buy this pack today, so I don't wanna put the vanilla and then I don't like it. Or maybe I could just add it when I'm drinking, just to see a different taste. He put vanilla and Angostura bitters. I like the Angostura. It gives, a little kick. I'm not peeling everything off my ginger because I washed it really clean. So everything is nice and washed now. So let me cut up these guavas. And notice, guys, I'm not wasting anything. We call this white belly. So we have red belly and white belly. This is white. I didn't like these growing up. I love the red belly ones. I think most people, they just have a sweeter taste to them. And when you're making guava juice, trust me, you have to deal with a lot of seeds. So, as I've seen people making it with a blender, it's kind of really hard to go through the strainer, but depends on how much water you use. But we don't want it too thin, so we don't want to flood it with water either. You just have to make it to the consistency that will work for you and your strainer. I have multiple strainers, so I'm gonna use the big one first to kind of trap the seeds, and then if I need to use a smaller one, then I will. And guys, I'm so curious to find out where you guys are watching from, or if you make guava juice or you make it. Chat me up in the comments, let me know. Yeah, let's chat together while we cook together and juice together. And if you also love to drink guava juice, please give me a thumbs up. So this is my guava all cut up. I'm leaving one for decoration. For the ginger, I'm gonna cut the ginger into small pieces also. Makes it easier to blend. We're not using a juicer today, just the blender. I think this should be enough ginger for your guava. It's not a lot. It's a nice little piece. Cut them up. All goes in together. The lime. So it's really easy to make. Just put everything together and that's it. You blend it, strain it, mix, and you're done. So I will now transfer everything to the blender. Ginger, lime, guava, and I'm gonna add water. It's a 16-ounce bottle of water. And I'm blending on medium first before I go high. So it's all done. So first I'm going to use my big strainer. See how thick that is, guys? That's how it should be. You can add water after you have strained and so on. And mine came out yellow because of the type of guava. Usually they're red, but this one came out yellow. See the big strainer? It's so much better. And I'm not getting any seeds in there. This is good. See? All the seeds are here. So you see how easy that was to make? No frills, no fluff, just guava juice. Nice and thick. Wow, now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm doing it the old time way. Let me add like a half a bottle more of water to just make it a little bit smoother, because I have to transfer it to this bottle to store in the fridge. And as I said, we can always add sweeteners when we're drinking. Oh no, that wasn't working at all, so let me do this. This will be much better. A glass for myself. I deserve it, don't I? Wow. And this is gonna be so much better when it's been in the fridge for a while. Trust me.